Welcome to Academy Ali channel. Let us continue our journey of UGC NET paper 1 from question number 21 onwards. Question number 21 was in a certain code, England is written as ULSNYLV. Using the same code, Ireland will be written as 1 HQUNYLV, QHUNYLV, QUHNYLV, HUQNYLV. Observe that NYLV is common because England and Ireland, both of them are containing LAND. We have to identify that IRE is replaced by what? The answer is second one, QUHUNYLV, and that comes from you write A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z fast way. Then you write ENGLAND, and below that what way it has been coded you can write. Below E it is U, below N it is L, G is replaced by S, L AND replaced by NYLV. No need to waste our time on this. Now ENG, E is replaced by U, so I will be replaced by Q. N is replaced by L, so R will be replaced by H. The position of R from here and position of H from beginning. Likewise, G is replaced by S, so E will be replaced by U. E, the position A, B, C, D, E. Likewise, Z, Y, X, we come back to U. Question number 22. Product of two consecutive integers is divisible by 2. Therefore, 4 by 5 is equal to 20 is divisible by 2. This is an example of which type of reasoning? Whether it is abductive reasoning, it is informative reasoning, it is inductive reasoning or deductive reasoning. And obviously the answer is deductive because we are deducting from the first fact. Product of two consecutive integers is divisible by 2, hence 5 into 4 or 4 into 5, 20 is also divisible by 2. This is the example of deductive. We are deducting from the available premise. Reasoning is the process of using existing knowledge to draw conclusion. We make predictions or construct the explanation. Three methods of reasoning are, as you know, deductive, inductive and abductive. Deductive reasoning, here the conclusion is guaranteed. Inductive reasoning, conclusion is merely likely. And abductive reasoning, taking your best shot. Abductive reasoning. So, this material is available on our website ageali.com. Therefrom, you can freely download it. Let us go to question number 23. What is the missing term in the series given below? The series given is 2, 4, 6, 12, 10, 36, 14, question mark, the missing term 18, 324. See, when such kind of series are given, as you know, we have to identify the pattern. It is 2, 4, 6. Up to this point, if you take the table of 2, it is 2:1, 2, 2:2 is 4, 2:3 is 6. But then therefrom, the series breaks. However, the options given are the missing term is 50 or 72 or 108 or 18. The correct answer is 108. How we have arrived at 108 can be justified by looking at the series given to us. 2, 4, 6, 12, 10, 36, 14, question mark, 18 and 324. Observe the pattern. As I said, 2, 4, 6, they appear to be the elements from the table of 2. 2:1, 2:2, 2:3. However, if you observe the element 10, it is 2:5. 2 5s are 10, 2 7 are 14, 2 9 are 18, 2 11 will be 22, 2 13 will be 26, and likewise. So this alternate term is table of 2 with odd indices. First index, third, fifth, seventh, ninth. So these elements go like this. Now observe the fourth element is previous to previous element multiplied by 3. 36 is previous to previous element multiplied by 3. So this element, missing element will be previous to previous 36 multiplied by 3, because 324 is previous to previous multiplied by 3. Now if you substitute here 36 multiplied by 3, which is 108, is the correct option, and 108 multiplied by 3 means this element is previous to previous element multiplied by 3, that gives us 324. That means our answer 108, the third option, is correct. Question number 24. In the context of classroom teaching, the foundation on which a warm and nurturing relationship with learner can be built is called probing, teacher effect, structuring, feedback, and the answer obviously, in the context of classroom teaching, the foundation on which a warm and nurturing relationship with the learner can be built is called as the teacher effect. That is the teacher effect. It is the result of charming personality of teacher. Question number 25. Which one of the following sequences correctly reflect the evolution of educational technology support in higher education? Education technology, use of information communication technology in education is comprising the education technology. So in higher education, what is the correct sequence in which evolution of education, rather educational technology came into higher education? Program learning material, textbook support, online and modular material, or the sequence was textbook supplementation, then program learning material, modular material and online method. Modular material, then program learning, then online and textbook supplementation, or online methods, then modular material, then textbook supplementation and program learning material. The correct answer goes as second, because it started with textbook supplementation. Textbook supplementation was converted into program learning material, was converted into modular material, and then it came to online methods, which is now migrating toward the flipped classes. So second option, textbook supplementation followed by program learning material, then modular material and online methods, is the evolution of education technology support in higher education. So with this, we'll terminate our discussion. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel for latest videos, and do join our website edually.com for downloading the PDF files freely available there for download. This is Dr. Ali signing off. Thank you. Have a nice time.